Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick and you're watching Travel Hackers, where we talk about how to get the most out of all your vacations. In this video, we're going to talk about Capital One's new first class lounge, but before we do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. When it comes to luxury travel, most people, first thing that comes to their mind is first class lounges. Having the experience to be able to go into one of the lounges and have the amenities that come along with it is something that not a lot of people have the opportunity to experience. When it comes to lounges owned by credit cards, the Centurion Lounge has been the leader for many years, but now Capital One is coming out with their own lounge, and the first one actually just opened last year in 2021 on November 4th in the Dallas-Fort Worth airport. In this video, we're going to look at all the features and amenities that come along with this lounge, some of the future lounges that they're planning on building, and at the end of the video, we're going to talk about how you actually can get access to this lounge. Now, when it comes to the design of these lounges, they do have a real modern feel. They've been designed to celebrate the Dallas-Fort Worth region. And when it comes to the amenities for these lounges, they've partnered with area artists, breweries, coffee roasters, and cocktail bars. They focused on eco-friendly material, unique textures and effects, a lot of quiet working spaces with individual power outlets at every single seat. There's flight status is displayed to keep you on schedule. There's Wi-Fi available, and there's secure lockers with plenty of room for your carry-on luggage and personal items. Now that's really great because they do have a cycling and yoga room, so if you're there for a long layover, you can get a workout in to really help you try to get over that jet lag. And then there's also shower suites, so you're able to cool down after your exercise, or even if it's just a long travel day and you just need a way to break up the trip. That definitely usually helps. It does have a family-friendly environment, so there's areas with kid-sized tables and chairs for the family, as well as parent rooms. They'll help if you're nursing a baby or if you need, there's also changing areas in there. So if you're traveling with a little one, which we definitely get, it could definitely make it a lot easier for you. They do have multi-faith rooms that are soundproof. They'll give you the opportunity to pray, meditate, reflect so that you can wind down for whatever the reason is. Now, when it comes to food, you're gonna have a premium in-lounge dining experience with seasonal menus and regional sourced ingredients. You also do have ready-to-eat food stations featuring grab-and-go snacks, including salads, fresh fruits, juice shots, and rotating warm selections like breakfast sandwiches in the morning, or in the afternoon, fresh from the oven cookies. And there are cocktails and local beers and regional wines at the dining station. And there's also an espresso bar. There's one lounge. It opened November 4th of 2021, and it is in Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. It's actually going to be located in Terminal D by Gate 22. Now there's two more lounges that are planned for 2022. First one is going to be in the Denver airport, and that's going to be located in Concourse A. And the next lounge is going to be located in the Washington Dulles Airport, and that's going to be just after the TSA pre-check. Now, who has access to the Capital One lounges? First group is going to be anybody that has the Venture X card, and with the Venture X card, anybody that holds that card can bring in 2 guests with them. So each card essentially can bring in 3 people. Now, the crazy thing about this is you can actually add 4 authorized users to this card at no additional cost. So you're able to add 4 people. So all 4 of those people then can have access to this lounge and bring in 2 people of their own. So with 1 membership, so with 1 card, essentially you can have 15 people enter this lounge at any one time. So that's insane. So yeah, the card does have a $395 annual fee, and we do have a video about that card, which I'll link down below. But if you do happen to fly out of Dallas pretty often, this is definitely a way to go. Now, children under 2, completely free. And I'm not really sure if you walk in with a kid that's 3, if they're really gonna, ask how old he is or she is. Knowing that little ones are free, that's definitely pretty cool, especially because they're really promoting this as being a family type of lounge. A lot of these first class lounges do have kind of a stuffy environment to it, so knowing that they do have family areas for the kids, nursing rooms, changing rooms, all of that, that's definitely really cool for us, since we do have a little one. Now, anybody that has the Capital One Venture or Spark card, they are going to have 2 free visits. And then after that, they have a promotional rate of $45. And then it'll also be open to anybody else for $65 a visit. Now, the Venture X card, it does come with Priority Pass. So I'm not exactly sure if Priority Pass is going to be able to have access to this lounge, or if they're going to be able to get a promotional rate to be able to gain access to this lounge. But there hasn't been really any clear answer on this, so kind of curious exactly how that's going to work. Maybe once they do roll out more lounges, they'll give that access. Now, one stipulation with this lounge is you will have to present a valid boarding pass for that airport. So you'd have to do it before your flight out of the Dallas area. You wouldn't be able to stop there once you arrive into the Dallas airport, unless obviously you have a connecting flight. So the bottom line is, this does look like really good news for anybody that has one of the more premier Capital One credit cards, especially if you don't currently have one of those like top tier credit cards, the American Express Platinum, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and you were thinking about getting one of these more premium cards. You now might be doing traveling, since traveling is kind of opening back up again. You may decide to go with a Capital One Venture X card so that you'll have access to this lounge. All in all, any type of competition in this luxury space really benefits us because it makes everybody else have to step up their game. So really excited to see what Capital One does with these lounges in the future, hoping that they do decide to bring one to the Charlotte airport. If so, that might sway us to go with one of the Venture X cards. Let us know down in the comments below what you think of the new lounge. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.